am still new to this, so... Today, we will be making... motherfucking omelet! Omelette! We got some garlic and herb. Goat cheese. Goat. Goat cheese, garlic and herb. There's also a hickory smoked sausage, butter, and eggs. No shit. Rose.
Rose, hey, Rose, tiny dog.
Fucking rude. Today we will be cooking on cast iron. Also, we'll be using Kinders. Fuck! Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. We'll see how the fuck that goes, I guess. Alright, there's the cast iron. So, I just dropped my motherfucking camera. She held. Okay, let's get a motherfucking knife for the butter. Yes. The butter knife. Paint me like one of your French girls. Bitch. First, cut some butter. Help. Turn it in my mouth. It's all good. Shit. Fuck! Now it's the wrong way. Alright, here we go. We have butter. From now on, I'm gonna have my bitch manslave, Kevin, do all the work. Alright, as you heat it up, Shut the fuck up, Zelda. As it heats up, sensually stroke the butter around the pan. And because there's quite a bit of eggs going in here, get the sides. This is also like my first cooking video, so we'll see how this shit goes. And Gucci. Okay, now, what you're gonna need is about 7 eggs. Or so I've been told. Fuck! Okay, now that the shells have been removed, my young are now prepared for their beautiful scrambling? Scramble? I mean, that's what this is, right? Just fucking scrambled eggs folded on top of shit, right? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, now just add some milk. And now we mix. Have fun, all you ASMR fans. Fire, my young. Delicious. And then we drop my young into hot butter. Oh, we caught it. Okay, that's one bottle down. The camera died. The dog almost died. But it's all cleaned up now. It's good as shit. Alright. Slice it. Slice it. Alright, now slice that bitch up. 1, 2, 3. Try to get them somewhat small. I know I'm not doing that. When you were here before, I couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin
makes me cry.
Okay, now we dump in the spices. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Oh my god! Ah, fuck! Okay, I fucked up. Now we have Mr. Hansy doing it all. What a bitch. That's enough. Now we add the meat, which is the sausage. Okay, so the cheese didn't cut quite like I thought it would. So we're gonna just kind of be scraping it off, I guess? Ah, fuck. Okay. Well, yeah, like, it's all good. Okay. Okay, here's the last bit of the cheese that was left on the thing, the cutting board. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we flip the motherfucker.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so I set it, I let it sit too long. Oh my god, I let it sit too long. Okay. There's an omelet. Yeah. Okay, here's the fucking plating process. I'm gonna cut it in half just to make it easier on myself and the viewers. Here we go. Okay. That would have been better than I thought. Okay, now for this mangled mess of a whore. Here we go. Ah, fuck. Alright. Oh, shit. Oh, man. It's missing more cheese. Fuck! That's what it was supposed to fucking look like. Fuck!
Beauty isn't everything as long as you are tasty.